This video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app.
Are you someone who tends to overthink and analyze every little detail of life? If so, this Zen story is tailored just for you. By sharing this narrative, we aim to show you the power of embracing a Zen mindset and how it can bring peace and clarity to your mind. Join us on a transformative journey as we explore the profound wisdom hidden within this ancient tale. Meet Maya, our protagonist known for her incessant overthinking and analytical nature. Her mind is a constant whirlwind of thoughts, always seeking answers and solutions to life's complexities. This habit often leaves her feeling overwhelmed and anxious, struggling to find peace within herself. Despite her intelligence and good intentions, Maya's overactive mind poses challenges in her relationships and personal growth, making her journey one that many of us can relate to. One day, Maya finds herself in a serene garden where she encounters a wise Zen master sitting peacefully under a cherry blossom tree. Intrigued by his aura of calmness, she approaches him with a curious heart. The Zen master gently guides Maya to focus on the present moment, teaching her the art of mindfulness and the importance of letting go of unnecessary thoughts. His profound teachings begin to shift Maya's perspective, offering her a new way of approaching life's challenges. As Maya delves deeper into the Zen practices shared by the master, she begins to confront her overthinking patterns head-on. Through meditation and mindfulness exercises, she learns to observe her thoughts without judgment and gradually quiet the incessant chatter in her mind. With each breakthrough moment, Maya feels a sense of liberation and clarity washing over her. The Zen techniques she embraces help her let go of excessive thoughts, paving the way for a more balanced and present-focused mindset. As you reflect on Maya's journey to inner peace, consider how her struggles with overthinking mirror your own. Take a moment to envision how incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine can bring mental clarity and peace. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day for meditation or simply observing your thoughts without attachment. Embrace small steps towards mindfulness and observe the positive changes in your mindset unfold. In conclusion, Maya's journey serves as a powerful reminder for overthinkers to embrace mindfulness and simplicity in thought. Witness her transformation from a mind cluttered with thoughts to a state of mental liberation through Zen practices. The key message resonates in finding peace by letting go of excessive thoughts and living in the present moment. Dive deeper into Zen practices for mental clarity and share this video to spread awareness on the path to inner peace.